There is simply more to your Apple device than a collection of apps. It's a way of life. Your life. So when you need professional, high-quality repairs, you want to choose a company you can trust, one that cares. RepairZoom. We provide more than just repairs for your Apple devices. We provide great value, like free UPS shipping on every order, trained certified technicians, overnight service when you need it in a hurry, and all-inclusive pricing. With thousands of satisfied customers, you can trust that RepairZoom will correctly repair your device and get it back to you quickly and as good as new. We are the only nationwide company that specializes in iPad repair, iPhone repair, and iPod repair. RepairZoom. Because we care.